Okay, I'm gonna show you here on my phone. I just did my booted my downstairs, but I have a problem here with the upstairs also. So I'm gonna show you, if you have a failed connection, what you have to do. First, what you want to do is take this off for about 10 seconds. Okay, you put it back on. Okay, as you can see right there, I'm just hit a button. It says Wi-Fi setup. So the next thing what you want to do is go to your settings here on your phone, go to your Wi-Fi, and it's this one right here. It says new thermostat. So I click on it. Once you click on it, it's going to go through and pick the Wi-Fi's, and this is ours right here. And if you don't see yours, you can hit the rescan and try to scan it in again. But we had this problem yesterday. This didn't come up yesterday until my son rebooted the router today. So it's here. You click on it. Okay, now I got to enter my passcode. Okay, I'm gonna hit connect. It's going through the process of connecting. And as you can see, it says waiting. And this say it could take up to 3 minutes. You see there at the top, it says connection successful, but you still got to wait until all the numbers pop up. Okay, it says setup completed. So now I'm gonna go to my app, the 72. See, now it done turned from red to gray. So you see it's at 74. So that's on cool. Let me see. I'm gonna bring it up to 76. See what happens. As you see right there, it's 76. I'm gonna just hit a button so you can see. Okay, well, it went back to 74. I hit cancel, I hit the wrong button. But it is working. So now, if I go back, both of my thermostats, my down and my upstairs, is gray now. So everything's working. So that's how you reconnect if you have a failed connection. All right, thanks, and subscribe to my channel.